Good morning from Pyhtää, Finland actually. We left from Kotka 15 minutes ago and we are the three of us, Emeli and Jaakko, in this car, and Ilja and Petsku are in a van somewhere, I don't know where they are. It's 6:20 a.m. and we are heading towards Helsinki to take the boat to Tallinn. Some people might wonder, what the hell, there's 6 people in the intro. Where the hell is the one guy? And with sad news I have to tell that Antsa, he slept late, he's missing somewhere, we don't know, and he cannot go into the trip with us. So we have to go just as 5. I will see you in the next episode. See ya. First stop. ABC Kuninkaan tie.
Moi moi.
Huomenta.
Huomenta.
Mitäs pojalla mietteet? Millä fiiliksellä lähes reissuun?
Meidän hyvällä reissu mielellä ollaan liikenteessä ja aamun ensimmäinen lonkerokki on nyt korkattu virallisesti.
Ai jaa, okei. Mitäs mieltä tästä Antsan poissaolosta?
No, sehän on ihan sydäntä särkevää oikein. Mitä surullista.
Kyllä.
Mies tällä jättää viime metreillään.
Samaa mieltä. Voi Antsa, minkä teit. Too bad.
They look down on me, I'm a product of the street side. Lockdown got me on a decline. We've gotta find another way. Music is my freedom, so I let the rhythm play. Can't see on the roads, blinded by the street lights. Link my brother for a 3-5. Light up a ting and get high, cause to get by we have to take time. No. They look down on me, I'm a product of the street side. Back my family through peak times. Now I wanna make
Äijille ruokaa.
Food for guys.
Food for guys. I ate meatball already.
Kyllä. Täältä lukee koko haarukka sulla.
Oh my god, that's so hot.
On hyvä.
What's the rating?
Very good. 6.9 out of 10.
Okay.
Ihme vähän kyllä, oikein Venus Flytra. Oli vähän ihmeessä.
Tää vittu on new home for Emeli. Emilis fly.
Vain ypä.
Ihmiset hörpyt.
Tuo on vähän lammaa.
Vai vittaa juo tän.
Made it out of laiva, ship. Now we're in Tallinna. Now we go eat some burgers and after that it's time for the trip to Pärnu. See you there. Or maybe not. See you somewhere. The boys have been found. Let's see what they're up to.
Are you there, boys?
Oh, typical Finnish fashion man. What? Terve. You know it's 12 o'clock, right? 12:30. 12 o'clock, yeah.
Yeah.
Are you drunk? You look like so.
A little bit.
Oh, good. We are soon, yeah?
Yes.
Yes, hyvä. So now we're in Tallinn. We came to this place called Turbo Burgers and It was suggested by a friend. Very cheap, very cheap. All about the economy saving this trip. It looks to be a nice spot, but there's just some... What? There's some homeless guy there. Wait. He looks familiar as hell though. Wait, Antsa! Mitä vittu? Mitä sä oot tänne päässyt? Mitä vittu?
Olen tossa vähän lomalla.
Mitä vittu? We thought we lost you, man. I thought you slept in. What?
Yes.
What did you text this morning?
Yeah, what the fuck we thought? Oh my days, man.
But very good.
Everything is weird in Estonia. What the? Jesus. The food has been acquired, and it's time to go into the restaurant to eat.
Very good price.
Onko good fries?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Let's close the door for a bit of privacy and oi. We shall eat goodly. Yes.
Taas te mayonnaise.
Oho, herran vittu. Almost broken my...
Jesus Christ, mä oon
Yes,
vastannut.
yes.
Nyt ei se sanota vittu.
Mayonnaise very good.
Onko? Mikä
Onko very good?
No, yeah, I think so.
We will be back after dinner. Goodbye. We are on the road now to Pärnu. There's Petskus and Elias van, and yeah, 1.5 hours. There has been some sort of accident on the road, so we are taking a small detour, but it's okay. I hope we don't get into any accidents.
We do not get infected.
I don't know.
We are on a wave, take over the place. They ain't doing it like you and I want a holiday, let us fly away. They ain't doing it like you and I. Moving on a vibe, kill it every time. They ain't doing it like you and I. You and I, you and I. They ain't doing it like 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 you and I. You and I, you and I. They ain't doing it like you and I. I said I'm dying to see you. Got me waiting for my lady. And I've been trying to free you. Send a couple pics, drive me crazy. She got to mine and we're chilling now. Tryna ask you how's your day been. She gone and drawn for the liquor now. In the light, wanna split and get wavy. We are on a wave, take over the place. They ain't doing it like you and I want a holiday, let us fly away. They ain't doing it like you.
Näköjään. We have arrived at the accommodation. Nurmeveski guest house. Yes, looks very nice. No niin. The fits are ready. And it's time to go to Beach Grind pre-party. And then 5. Are we going to the festival at 5?
Yes. Hell
Yeah.
no.
We are going to the festival at 5 o'clock. Alright, see you soon. Bye bye. It's just the 3 of us here. We're going to exchange the tickets a little bit early, but it's okay. The festival starts in half an hour. It's 16:30, and We have to make it to the pre-party still. Ah, fuck. So we came to the Dune beach club to the pre-party, but
Where's the party?
there is no pre-party.
Where are the gentlemen?
We got, yeah, where is the club? We got so-called huijattu Puskar, ja niin. We got tricked hard. But it's okay. Festival starts in 20 minutes, so we wait for that, yeah. See ya.
See you there.
We finally made it into the area. 45 minutes late, but it's okay. It's okay. The area looks very nice. I will show you now. Very nice looking area. I have no clue where the main stage is. It's probably there. Yeah. We will go for a quick walk around the park and check it out. Unlike last year, there's a bungee. Mitä vittua? Oho. Bungee jump place. And the park looks very, very different from last year. What do you think, Jacob?
I think it looks really, really good. I wish I could bungee jump, but it's so expensive. I don't want to pay.
Yeah, 70 euro. 70 euro is very expensive. We poor Finnish boys, we don't have that kind of money.
Yes.
Yeah. Unlucky. We go next year. We save 70 euros just for bungee jump, okay?
Pitäisikö mun käydä venirypössä?
Yes. Kyllä. Yes, you have to.
Should I have to?
Yeah, go now.
The stage really good looking. Can't wait for some real good show to start here.
Väga hea.
Aika hyvä, joo.
Nyt.
Tere tulemasta alueelle vihdoin. Meni 2 tuntia perkele. 2 hours. It is what it is, yeah.
Oltiin ryppäämässä.
Same in English. Wasted as fuck. Yes. vittua? We made it back to the placement, eli back to the apartment. Me and Jaakko came first, as always, and Antsa came like just 2 minutes ago. We are absolutely soaking wet. And no, haista vittu. We are all soaking wet. Our clothes are ruined, our shoes are ruined, everything's ruined. The fucking grass at the festival is ruined. Everything is ruined, and it's probably going to be the same tomorrow. So
I am ready for everything!
oh, look who came.
Let's go!
Mitä vittu tänään aikaiseen lähtee sieltä?
Oh no.
Me tultiin tänne 5 minuuttia sitten.
Hei, mitä vittu?
Mitä vi...
Ajat on vitun
Help,
alustaa.
please help me, please.
Aion kerran vasta niin jalkaa. Ei vasta naamaa.
Oi, let's go. Come at, fy fan. Tytöt. Come at, please.
Mitä se oli?
I think they're gone. Come at.
Ja syleilyn menee.
We have a bit of a shoe issue. Jacob brought only 1 pair of shoes, and they are quite wet from last night. Some gift exchange, it seems. Now we're going to eat, and yeah, then we buy some boots, yeah, for everyone and for him as well. And yeah, we buy some boots for today because it's not supposed to rain, but it's going to be muddy as hell. Let's see what happens. Yippee! New shoes. Shout out Coop Sauga for the shoes. Oi, now we go eat. Oh.
Se näyttää soosia.
Kyllä.
Se on kelta.
Vittua. Siis...
Haluatko jatkaa 2 minuuttia taas noin? Hello, do you want to come in my helicopter?
I'm coming, yes.
Vittu.
Put the gun away, man. Put the gun away quickly.
Arms
The
dealer.
police is looking for you. Future school shoot.
Vittu, mä syön noin kaikki kalat.
Day 2. Rubber boots have been found. And soon it's time to go. It's time to fucking go. Day 2. See me, beach grind baby. Let's go. And nyt.
Jessus sentäs.
täydellinen suoritus.
Kylläkin. Vittu, tässä oli jotain multaa vittu. Vittu, tässä oli jotain multaa.
Ei vittu.
Se on vaan lonkero. Mä ois tuohon puutarha.
No nyt.
Kyllä melkein.
This is not my fit for today, don't worry. At least not now anymore.
Okay.
Rabo. Rabo. Oho! Mitä vittua chair?
En suosittele enää istumaan tuolla.
Mitä?
242. Olis tätä maistanut? Eikö mä maistan sunkaan? Eikö sunkaan? Munkaan? Miten sä maistat munkaan? Sunkaan. Näin, mä tiedän.
Kuvaajalle kans. For the photographer also.
Photographer.
Vittu viina on kyllä paha.
Oliks tää kenen muki?
Eikö se sun oo?
Ei kun mulla oli se Red Bulli.
Eikö aina sulla oli redikkä?
Not good. Don't drink bean, bitch. Don't drink lauva bean,
Ei
please.
mitään hajoa.
On the road to the main gate. Seam is up next. Actually, he's already playing, but we're a bit late. We are in the festival zone, day 2. There's a fuck ton of hay around, but the ground, okay, never mind. It looks okay. What do you guys think?
Very excited for the events coming tonight. We are going to party all night. We have the continuation ticket as well.
Yeah, I might not come, but it's okay. Let's see.
Yes, you will come.
Okay,
If you don't come, I kill you.
okay, let's go see Seam now. Come on, let's go fast. Over there. Let's go.
I shall go take a piss.
Oh, shut the fuck up. Let's go. Oi, vittu, come on, äijät. Let's go get some boots, okay?
Yes, yeah.
Update. Boots for fucking everyone. Boots for everyone, including me. Emily doesn't have boots for some reason, but it's okay.
Retard Crocs.
Yeah, we definitely need boots here. Everything's gonna be okay now. Let's go. festival is now officially over, but not for us. We still have that motherfucking after party.
Yes, I need to save battery so I can get my ticket from the Gmail.
Yes.
I have 8%. I don't have it here anymore. Look.
Yeah, I
It's
can
not
see
here
it.
anymore. It's not here. I need to find it from my Gmail.
I'm stomping in fucking mud. Yes. Let's go to the after party. Update. Our shoes are at our fucking apartment.
Yes.
And we're in the... Ai
Fucking
vittu.
Puss and Boots.
Yeah. I am the puss and he is the boots and
Yes.
we can't be bothered to go to the after party. I think we'll just go to the apartment.
Yeah, we fucking can't go to fucking club with these shoes. I don't think they even let us in with these fucking things. And and Ilya Kovalchuk took our boots, like real shoes, in the apartment.
Little romantic walk, full moon and all, back to the place with our boots.
Yes.
Fy fan. What a ride this has been, man.
I am not quite sure if Peter paid the fucking price for the ride. What do you think?
He has problem over there.
Maybe.
Maybe he must give some sex to pay our taxi.
Ride. He must give ride for our ride.
Yeah.
Yes.
So now you all three are rookies. What did you think about the festival now that it's over? Start with Jaakko.
Really good, amazing, worth every money what I used on the festival, and I wish it could continue, and hopefully next year we go again.
Yes. Ilja?
Next summer again.
Okay. Petsku?
Crazy bangers. Music was crazy.
Yes.
Crazy shit. Next summer again.
Yes. This was my second festival and next year again. Millään liikkeellä. Oot Samsa valmis lähteä syömään? Joo. 200–300 minuuttia.
Mikä vittu nää tyttösiä on ihan helvetisti?
No on joo. Kyllä, kiitos. Hei hei! Käy vaan.
Ja varmaan tulee se limavis suoraan tänne. Ei selvinnyt.
Eikö? No. No. My friend. Whoa. Update. We started soaking some food and the melter got burned. Sulake paloi. Yeah, the fuse box. It went box. And we don't have any juttujas here anymore. We call the huoltoemäntä, yes.
Vittu et on limasia.
Onko limasina?
On pesty siellä vedessä vittu. Ja vittu tiukkana sitä. Äijä vittu vissi antoi niitten vatit.
No en antanut, kun mä...
Heti kun laitan nuggetsiin, niin äijä kallisti sen.
En minä kallistanut painovoima.
Mitä sä haluat?
Anna yksi vielä.
Saat 2. Mitä vittu täällä on ku petskun perseen suristin piippaa?
Is he sleeping or
Ei
no?
voi ihan kuulla.
Is he sleeping or no?
No. Try. Put cock in mouth, you see if sleep or no.
Try.
Emily is fucked up.
Yeah.
They found drugs.
Emily got busted.
Yeah. Too bad. Goodbye Estonia, goodbye Tallinn.
Onko blogi kotsaa hyppää alas?
On.